What is good, you guys? One and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a crisscross high ponytail tutorial. So my hair is a little bit dirty because I had gel the previous night before I recorded this video. So I just sprayed some water and I'm now trying to detangle my hair. And I think I'm just gonna let you guys watch because everything is just self-explanatory in this video. As you can see, I am parting my hair just like that from ear to ear. So when I'm done parting, I'm just gonna take a hair tie, and I'm just going to tie back. I'm just going to tie the back part just like that, and then I'm gonna take a rectal comb and just start parting my crisscross what. And oh yeah, I'm also gonna need some rubber bands. Yeah.
There's pink black girls in my area code. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids got mini afros. Thick lips got hips, some of us don't. Big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a video, bro. Wanna fat booty like Kardashians. Wanna fat booty like my auntie got a yo. We love the block clock, tell her reload it. I've got the camera, my girls are posing. I need some backup, then my ones are rolling. Grown women things, I'm never at risk. I'm my own business, I'm never in mess. Who am I ain't bae, get a slice of the cake. Want a house with a view and a new pair of shoes. Keep it real from the jump, cause you gang, little pump, little vibe, little bass, little kick, little snare, little lies, big truths. Do you, they don't care. Do you, they don't care. Get your ass at the boxing, build up from there. I don't have a gang with me, but I still walk with a gangster lean. I rock Nikes cause we think they're clean. MJ leather jacket, me Billie Jean. MJ leather jacket cause I think I'm bad. I like it, the growth, the light, the pain, the fight. We love, we fight, we hurt, we cry. He paid the price, you be.
I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay.
Honestly, I do not recommend that wax gel. It doesn't work, please. Also guys, I was struggling with this hairstyle, like the rubber bands were not cooperating. I was just having a hard time. You'll see as the video goes on.
Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, we got a steaming your team. Look at your crown, natural, relaxed at a Jericho. One side soft and sheen. Wear black girl magic is sometimes blue. My broke a hairband or two. Raise my voice, you're gonna say that I'm angry. Kiss my teeth, and now you say that I'm hood. You did 16, you say it's my destiny. Driving range if you come up to no groove. Give us a break and let us breathe, man. Give us a chance as a chief. And I know that my hair looks a bit different today. So don't touch my hair.
New hair, who this? Old black woman jacket and a van two twist. Look, mind over my tack, handle this. We're fine, take a second of awards in Red Sea. I think that I care too much, but all of some cover sea air. 2 cups, I've got nothing to show, but you love, check my flaws and all my flaws. I was black back when it wasn't even in style, that's cool. I like it, the growth, the lies, the pain, the fight. We love, we fight, we hurt, we cry. We pay the price, you'll be.
I think I need some time away. I took a little time.
So here I was just showing you guys how I do the crisscross. So you're supposed to do like 4, and then you take the front one and take it to the back on the other line or the other row. Just how I'm doing, guys. You'll see I did a mistake here, but I will undo this one and I'll do it again. You'll see, just keep on watching and pay attention because I'm really bad at explaining. You see, here I was trying to figure out how I'm going to do the crisscross. So this is me again undoing that. Guys, this is why I say I struggled with this hairstyle. Like, at some point, I just wanted to stop recording and go to bed. So this is how my crisscross is going to be, since my parting wasn't really straight, so I couldn't get enough to pair the other two. So yeah, now I'm just doing the final part, and this is where you get to see how I actually do it. Do the zigzag or the crisscross. So I'm just gonna do the other side and I'm gonna come back for the ponytail. And this is the hair that I used. I used 2 packets of different colors, you'll see. But it's from Magic. I throw away the box right now, so I can't really tell you the exact name, but it's by Magic. I think it's Coco something. Melody, yeah, it's Melody something something, but it's by Magic. So I started with the lighter shade or the lighter color, and that is how I just wrapped it up. And I did a 2-strand twist on my natural hair, and I just started wrapping around the wefts, or that bundle of my synthetic hair. This hair is synthetic, guys. It's not human hair, so yeah, it will tangle. That's why I never last with ponytails. And now this is the second color that I used. Yeah, wrapping around it's literally so easy, guys. Like, you just wrap around, and then if you want to be extra, you can add these shiny straps or strings that I got from my hair bundles, my human hair bundles. You just wrap it around on the ponytail, just like that, just to accessorize your hair. But I like it when it's unaccessorized. I feel like it looks cute without the silver thingy over there. What do you guys think? Come to the end of this video, guys. If you did enjoy, please do give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.